Welcome, friend. This is your time to slow down and to reconnect with the wisdom already living within you. So find a comfortable place where you feel supported. Allow your body to settle. Rest your hands gently and close your eyes if that feels good. Now let's take a slow, deep breath in and slowly exhale. Again, breathe in clarity and release pressure. One final breath, inhale trust. And exhale control. Feel yourself becoming present. Notice the support beneath you. Notice your breath moving effortlessly. There is nowhere to go, nothing to prove, only this moment. Today we're connecting with the energy of gate 62. This is the gate of precision. This energy reminds us that leadership isn't about having all the answers. It's about creating clarity. The greatest leaders don't speak the most. They speak with intention. They organize complexity into understanding. And they help others to see what was previously hidden. Let's begin by releasing what blocks that gift. This is the shadow release of the pressure to know. So bring your awareness to your mind. Notice if it's racing, trying to solve, trying to explain, or trying to prepare for every possible outcome. Gate 62 can become trapped in the belief that good leadership means having every detail figured out before taking action. That your value comes from knowing more or explaining better or being right. But true leadership isn't built on certainty. It's built on presence. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, release the need to know everything. Release the pressure to prove yourself. Release the belief that your worth depends on having all the answers. And notice where that pressure lives in your body. Perhaps around your forehead, or your jaw, or your shoulders. Simply breathe into those places and allow them to soften. Silently repeat after me. I release the pressure to prove my intelligence. I trust that clarity arrives when I am present. I don't need every answer before taking aligned action. Feel your mind becoming quieter, more spacious, more available. Now let's move into the gift activation of precision. Imagine a brilliant golden light gathering above your head. Not filling your mind with information, but distilling wisdom. Only what truly matters remains. Everything unnecessary gently falls away. That light now moves into your throat. Your voice becomes steady, grounded, clear. You recognize that leadership is not measured by how much you say, but by how deeply your words resonate. You naturally simplify complexity. You help people understand what matters most. Your communication creates confidence, direction, alignment. You don't overwhelm others with information. You illuminate the next step. Again, silently repeat after me. My leadership creates clarity. My words inspire confidence and alignment. I communicate with wisdom, simplicity, and purpose. Feel this energy expanding throughout your entire body. Notice how calm leadership feels. There is no rush, no performance, only truth expressed with precision. The highest expression of Gate 62 is impeccability. So now imagine yourself standing before those you are here to lead. Perhaps your family, your clients, your team, your community. Notice the quiet confidence within you. You no longer speak to impress. You speak to serve. Every word carries integrity. Every decision reflects alignment. Every action is congruent with your deepest values. There is no separation between who you are and how you lead. This is the frequency of impeccability. Leadership that begins from within. Take a slow breath in and allow this frequency to settle into every cell of your body. Silently repeat these affirmations. My leadership is grounded in integrity. My voice creates clarity. My presence is enough. Rest here for several quiet breaths. Now bring one hand to your heart and one hand to your throat. Feel the connection between what you know, what you value, and what you choose to express. Leadership begins here, not in doing more, not in proving more, but in becoming more aligned. Every conversation, every decision, every word, every action, may they reflect who you truly are. Take one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine carrying this clarity into every meeting, every relationship, and every opportunity to lead. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for spending this time with me. This is Stacy Faust, your human design coach with Sovereign Leadership. And remember, as you go out into the world today, the world doesn't need louder leaders. It needs aligned leaders. Leaders who bring clarity where there is confusion. Leaders who speak with intention. Leaders who trust that precision is more powerful than perfection. So go lead from your alignment.